Hi guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to set up the SendX app inside your sub account. So let's get started. Once you search for the app at the level of app marketplace, you go at the install and then allow and install. Pretty simple. And you're supposed to provide some credentials in order to get the installation going. So let's do it right away. We go, continue, and we get success, which means the tool is already connected. Now, how can you access the tool? You have to come on the level at the level of custom page to search for the app. But you notice we don't have it here, so you need to refresh the page. Here you are. So let's scroll down. So this is the new interface. We have the documentation, tutorials, and setup. At the level of documentation, if you go at view, it provides you the different reading steps that you're supposed to follow in order to set up the app. And next we have the tutorials, the SmartCue guide showing you how to get all the credentials, the setup video. Finally, we have the setup that gives you the status of the app. So that's pretty much guys. If you ever have any questions, feel free to reach our support team who's available 24/7 to answer your other questions. Thank you for watching guys.